Hi guys, welcome back to Do It YouTube channels. Today lecture we are cover here the one soil information developed by the USA and European countries. You can see here the entire environment here. It is developed by Polygon designing, but give the information about the crop cultivation land there. So you can see here this is the right option crop ranking in region. This area are showing the show all details of the crop, sugar beet and rice, nuts, maize, grass, soybean, cotton, fruit, all kinds of crops are cultivated there. So this map is a Italy based map. So data for the year 2020 and 2019, 18, 17 merge all data. So before I just these tutorials objectives to show you the information about what types of soil information projects are developed by European country as well as United States, America. They are developing a very nice and wonderful project on the soil. So this is a one of the example. You can see I put the mouse here, there. You can see here these portions. Just I circle there. This portion should visible the information. Just my this mouse pointer are going to the different variation of the polygon plot. We are zoom. I can see this is just go to the point and here that place you can see here the maize and wheats and rice and various types of the crop map. This just focus of these tutorials, these types of the soil information map are developed will be in for India as well as those are developing country. They are making a plan for the developing like this map. I show you how to complete this entire process are continuously running by uh, government collaboration. Actually total 43 country I think involved this project. I show you. You can see here the 44 countries give the information. These 44 countries are involved for developing this smart soil information project, and then how much areas cover the population crop in the large country. So I'm not spending more time for just discussing about this how to do that. I show you how they are creating this software, this platform soil information plot. Just you can see at the top of my head here random beautiful fields. So before we go there, I show you the complete information for the all countries, how many countries are involved for this project. Then popular crop in the large countries. You can see here number one is the crop cultivated countries: USA, Ukraine, France, Germany, Poland. And then average score of the field for the maize crop. You can select the grass, you can select the wheat, and as your choice you can select. And we look here the what exact condition of how much types of the crops are cultivated by these 43 countries. Why I am showing you these details, because of the they are just online data collecting by this satellite and putting here, and that data are affecting the entire world because of the those countries are not uh, those countries didn't have the suppose wheat. So these countries are taking the details information and provide the data. So I'm not spending more time here, just show you the beautiful random map. Here is also choose the year. So select the random map, click on that. You can see most beautiful polygon design for the crop land. You can see nice wonderful crop is designing here. This is a Netherland land. Here is developing like this polygons type the plot to crop cultivation. This is a MA Lord city, and different variation you can see here how polygons are developed. Then different we go another random beautiful fields crop cultivated place. You can see. So this map is motivated us to we are also develop like this map for the people crop cultivation information for our peoples. This data is coming from year of 2016. So like this these tutorials are over here. Actually we are stopping here. Before conclude this video, I request you guys do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. We call it Do It New, and also press the bell icon so I continuously provide you the update about new techniques and tutorials about the remote sensing and GIS, as well as worldwide applications technologies. So we stop here. So guys, we will meet on the next tutorial. Bye bye, see you, Nara.